Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch Harry Potter on Disney+. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in disneyplus.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Disney Plus website, from which if you haven't already logged into your account, you can proceed with using your email address and your password, and once you are logged in, you can simply open up your profile. From the profile page, tap on the search box at the top section alongside home button. Once you tap on this, simply type in Harry Potter and start your search. This will now show you the search results within which you might be able to find the Harry Potter movies. If you don't find this option, then you will simply need to wait until the franchise has been added onto the Disney Plus platform. Until then, you can also find some similar movies related to the genre within the search results that you can watch as an alternative. And there you have it. That is how you can watch the Harry Potter series on Disney Plus. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.